What's happening? Tell you what's happening. Miracle worker, that's exactly what's happening. I tell you what, right, it's 5:30 in the afternoon. I've been up since 2:30 this morning because I've been doing a toy fair in Shepton Mallet. I am knackered. I left the keys to the S4 for my man to have a little go with it, wax and gleam. Incredible. So that's all I was expecting was a couple of touch-ups. No word of a lie, he's gone over the whole car and it is insane. Look at that. So this is going to be a little thing. Head over to his Facebook page, link in the description. Check him out. He's credited with Kamikaze Collection, so many things. That over there with a Bigfoot system specialist. I'm just reading as I go. So yeah, literally insane. Products like no tomorrow. Ceramic coats, anything you need, service washes. He is the man. See, literally no filter, no nothing. Look at the shine on that. Literally just breathe the whole set of life into the S4 again. Considering the car's almost up to 2 years old, that's incredible. Look at that. I'm damn excited about it. Literally a mirror. Literally insane. Look at that. I'll show you my favourite shot now. It's just a little V6. Look at that. Oh, the car is literally a mirror, I'm not even joking. So there we go, little snippet video, little stocking filler teaser, whatever you want it to be. Wax and gleam detailing in the description. Go over and check it out. Boosh.